It's common for many people over the age of 60 to simply accept feeling sluggish, heavy, and perpetually fatigued as a normal part of aging. We often blame it on our age, shifting hormones, or the medications we take. However, what if a major cause of that persistent discomfort was actually several kilograms of old, compacted waste material lodged in your intestines? It sounds like a surprising fact. The good news is that you don't need potent chemical laxatives or risky medical procedures to find genuine relief. Today, I'm going to share a gentle, naturally based cleansing regimen that a doctor has recommended and which has been designed especially for older adults. This isn't a harsh, intensive colon purge. Instead, it focuses on safe, efficient techniques to assist your body in its natural functions, allowing you to reclaim a feeling of lightness, boost your energy levels, and finally put an end to chronic constipation. Why constipation worsens after 60? First, let's understand why this problem becomes so prevalent as we get older. It's not due to a single cause. It's a combination of different changes occurring simultaneously. The natural wave-like muscle contractions in your digestive tract, called peristalsis, begin to slow down naturally. Many of us also become less physically active and frequently fail to consume enough water. To make matters worse, common medications prescribed for conditions like high blood pressure, pain management, or other ailments can have a drying, constipating side effect. This situation leads to more than just physical discomfort. It results in a cascade of related issues. You may suffer from chronic fatigue because your body is working hard to eliminate toxins, experience poor sleep, a loss of appetite, and bloating that makes your clothing feel tight. Always remember, a well-functioning gut is the essential basis for a healthy body. Signals your intestines need a cleanse. How can you tell if you are carrying this substantial extra burden? Your body will send you unmistakable signals. You should pay close attention if you are dealing with constant bloating, particularly after eating. A major warning sign is feeling exhausted even after sleeping for an entire night. Other indicators include bad breath or a lingering bitter taste, passing stools that are small and hard, unexplained skin issues like persistent itchiness or a dull complexion, and even occasional dizziness or mental fogginess. If you notice 2 or more of these symptoms, a gentle cleanse could be the solution to significantly improving your health. A gentle cleansing strategy for older adults. Now, let's discuss these powerful natural methods. This 10-step plan is highly effective, safe, and gentle. Friends, we are just about to cover the most impactful parts of the cleanse, but I have a brief, crucial request. Our channel is working towards a major milestone, reaching 1,000 subscribers so we can continue producing vital, life-changing health content like this. If you find this information helpful and want to support our mission, please take a moment right now to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It truly makes an enormous difference. Now let's get back to the final 4 steps. Warm water therapy. Before starting your day, the first thing you should do is drink a glass of warm, not hot, water. You can also add just a few drops of fresh lemon juice. This simple morning ritual awakens your entire digestive system, stimulates the liver's function, and gently hydrates the bowels to encourage a bowel movement first thing in the morning. Oat kissel, an Eastern European doctor's remedy. This may be a new concept, but it is extremely beneficial. Boil 2 tablespoons of whole oats in approximately 300 milliliters of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool down, then strain the mixture and drink the warm, slightly gel-like liquid. This kissel forms a protective layer on the walls of the intestines, which soothes inflammation and helps to eliminate old, sticky waste and mucus. Prune and kefir blend, a natural laxative. Before going to sleep, blend 5 soft pitted prunes with 1 cup of plain kefir. The prunes contain sorbitol, a substance that naturally draws water into the colon, while the kefir supplies essential probiotics. This mixture works gently throughout the night. Flaxseed infusion, a 2-in-1 remedy. Soak 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds in a cup of warm water and leave it overnight. In the morning, drink the slightly thickened liquid and thoroughly chew the softened seeds. This delivers a significant amount of soluble fiber, which helps to regulate cholesterol and produces a soft, bulky stool that is easily passed. The internal brush salad, grate raw beetroot and carrot, then drizzle them with a small amount of olive oil and lemon juice. Eating this salad 3 to 4 times a week acts like a gentle brush inside your intestines, sweeping out accumulated waste and providing excellent support for your liver. Soothing herbal tea. Mix 1 teaspoon each of dried chamomile, peppermint, and fennel seeds. Steep the blend in hot water for 10 minutes. Sipping this warm tea after your meals helps to relieve gas, calm intestinal spasms, and reduce bloating without the need for harsh chemicals. Castor oil pack. External use only. For older people, using castor oil on the skin is considerably safer than ingesting it. Warm up a few tablespoons of the oil, gently massage it onto your abdomen in a clockwise direction for 5 minutes, and then cover the area with a warm towel for 15 minutes. This technique stimulates bowel activity by absorption through the skin and is also deeply relaxing. The evening walk and breathe. This step is non-negotiable. A light 10-minute walk after your evening meal, combined with deep diaphragmatic breathing, provides a natural internal massage for your intestines. It encourages movement and significantly enhances blood flow to your entire digestive system. Psyllium husk hydration. Psyllium husk is a mild, bulk-forming fiber that functions like a sponge in your digestive tract. It's especially useful for seniors because it's non-irritating and assists in naturally regulating bowel movements. Here's how to use it safely. Mix 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk powder in a large glass of warm water, which should be at least 250 milliliters. Stir it immediately and drink it quickly before it becomes too thick. Follow this with another full glass of water. Do this once a day, preferably in the morning. The husk absorbs water and forms a gel that softens the stool, promoting comfortable elimination. Important: always take psyllium with plenty of water and begin with a small dosage to assess your body's reaction. Magnesium-rich Epsom salt bath. This method offers 2 benefits simultaneously. It helps to relax the body while drawing out toxins and stimulating bowel movements through the skin. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps to relax the intestinal muscles and draw water into the colon. Draw a warm bath and add 2 cups of Epsom salts, stirring until they dissolve. Soak in the warm water for 20 to 30 minutes, ensuring the water remains warm. The magnesium is absorbed through your skin, helping to soothe both your body and your digestive tract. This is particularly helpful before bed because it aids relaxation and can promote a morning bowel movement. For optimal results, do this 2 to 3 times per week and always follow it by drinking a glass of warm water. These specific foods into your regular diet: kiwi, pear, and papaya for their natural digestive enzymes. Fermented foods such as kefir, yogurt, and sauerkraut to replenish beneficial gut bacteria. And oatmeal or buckwheat for fiber that is gentle and won't cause bloating. Most importantly, you must drink at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water or herbal tea every day. At the same time, try to limit your consumption of white bread, fried foods, and sugary pastries, as they tend to clog the digestive system and cause fermentation. Important safety precautions. Please be wise and prioritize safety. Avoid using chemical laxatives every day. They have the potential to permanently weaken your colon's natural ability to function. When you increase your fiber intake, start slowly to prevent gas. And always, if your constipation is severe, lasts for more than a week, or if you have a pre-existing condition like diabetes or heart disease, consult your doctor before implementing major dietary or lifestyle changes. Genuine intestinal cleansing is not about harsh extremes. It's about returning to straightforward, natural rhythms. It's about equipping your body with the necessary tools to perform at its best, so you can feel light, energetic, and full of life at any stage of your life. You don't have to implement all the steps at once. Begin with the warm water in the morning and the walk in the evening. You will be astonished by the positive change. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these methods are you most interested in trying first? The oat kissel or the flaxseed infusion? Please let me know in the comments below. If this video has been valuable to you and you want to support our expanding community, please help us reach our target of 1,000 subscribers. Your like and your subscription are the fuel that keeps this channel running, enabling us to create more content that helps you live a healthier, happier life. Thank you immensely for watching. Here's to your health, your energy, and being free from constipation. If you're new here, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share it.